Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Well, my YouTube channel for now. But today I'm going to be tasting my raw cupcake. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. Alright, see. Look at that. Ugh. Looks so weird. But I cooked it on a pan out. And it's hot, but it tastes like a cupcake. Oh my god. Orange chocolate all over me for wiping my mouth. And I was making this pudding. It's basically pancake pudding because I put an egg in it. But anyways, okay. So I'm gonna wait for my cousin to get out of the bathroom, but I ain't gonna make some. No more. Well, he's coming, so. So I'm back. He is here. Hello.
Okay.
And I'm gonna taste this disgusting.
Try.
Ew. It was because I didn't add any sugar. Alright, but I'm going to be letting you guys look at this. That's salt!
Oh crap.
So don't do that. It's actually really bad for you. It can make you die. So there it is, guys. So I am gonna.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Me, your
add
bro.
this much sugar. Oh!
Put a lot of sugar.
Alright, and then I'm gonna start mixing it. Ew. This looks like pudding from like Sonic or something.
It tastes like. So, guys, in the next video,
We're gonna be doing eat
Mike-
it or wear it.
no, we're not doing that. Next, we're playing a game, Xbox 360.
It's called Mystery Gaming Saturday.
Yeah, on Saturday. Wait, your mom's here on Saturday.
Oh, sorry guys, I went on Friday.
Yeah.
That's just better. Yeah. Alright. So, I'm so afraid to taste this. So here, there's like some on the microwave by your phone. Ew. Looks like caca.
You monster. Guys, we're actually Hispanics, okay?
Now you have to tell them that.
I know it. It's just like
Racism.
I'm not racist.
I'm not calling you racist.
You did.
I said racism. That means you talk about race a lot. And you actually do for real. Alright guys, for the next video I might be making some more.
Hey, you want to take a
I
fight?
might be making stop.
Okay.
Just smack it with
No.
the food. Alright, in the next video we're actually making some more, but
you with this.
in an oven. Ow! In an oven. So that way it can actually be a.
Guys, hold up.
Alright guys, so. Ow! Alright guys, so I took.
Hook. It's cooking
took
off it.
no.
Why?
I'm showing them. There's the food that I'm wearing. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna.
Guys, it's too gross to watch. Yeah, it's gross.
I'm fluffing.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Hold on. Oh, can y'all hear? Can you see it? See her watch.
Ow!
Okay. That's you. You saw it first. Fine, let's play this. Okay. No, you're crazy. I don't have power. My phone.